Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to create an online presence for your real estate business? Look no further. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a professional real estate WordPress website in just few easy steps. And to make things even easier, we're going to introduce you to a fantastic plugin that will help you get started in no time. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your WordPress. So first, let's get your WordPress set up on your domain. If you don't already have a domain, you can easily purchase one from a domain registrar. Next, you'll need to set up a WordPress on your domain. This can be done through your web hosting provider. We recommend you consider Kinsta Hosting for your real estate website. Kinsta Hosting is the perfect solution for setting up your WordPress website. With Kinsta, you get lightning fast load times, unparalleled uptime, and expert support 24/7. Their infrastructure is built on top of the Google Cloud platform, providing you with the power and security you need to run your website smoothly. Additionally, Kinsta's managed hosting solution takes care of all the technical details, freeing you up to focus on your content and your business. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient hosting solution, look no further than Kinsta Hosting. To sign up for Kinsta Hosting, please check the description below for the sign up link. Now, moving on to step 2, which is installing the Responsive Starter Templates plugin. Now that we have your WordPress set up, let's install the Responsive Starter Templates plugin. You can do this by going to the WordPress plugin repository and searching for Responsive Starter Templates. Once you've found the plugin, simply click Install and activate it. Going ahead with step 3, which is importing a starter template. Now that the plugin is installed, let's import a starter template. Responsive Starter Templates has a wide range of pre-designed templates to choose from. So take your time and pick one that best fits your needs. To import a template, simply go to the Responsive Starter Templates section in your WordPress dashboard and search for Real Estate and select the Real Estate template. Here, you can preview the whole template. Next, click the Import button and wait for the template to import. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. The plugin will import all the elements of the template into your WordPress website, including the layouts, the colors, the fonts, and the images. Once done, click on the Launch Site button. And that's it. Here's how you get your real estate website ready in less than 5 minutes. Moving ahead with step 4, which is customizing your website. Once the template has been imported, it's time to start customizing your website. Now, to do so, click on the Edit with Elementor section at the very top. This will take you to the editing section of Elementor. Here, you can edit absolutely anything and everything that you want, right from text to buttons, images, everything. So for this instance, let's start with changing the text here. As you can see, this reads, "Find your dream home." Let's change this to "Your dream home awaits." There. Now let's say that we want to change the text on this button. So you click on the button. It'll open a window on the left side of the screen where you can read the text, "Inquire now." Let's change this to "Get in touch." Now let's say that we want to change one of these images. So I want to change this image, the middle one. To do so, I'll click on the icon that looks like a pen, which reads Edit Image. and it'll open a window on the left side of your screen. You just have to click on that window saying choose image. Now this will give you two options. You can either upload files from your desktop or you can import media from your media library. In this instance, I'm going to be importing media from my media library. So as you can see, I have so many options to choose from. And I will go with this option. Just click insert media. That's it. It's done. Let's change one of these guys. So to do so, it's the same process. Click on the picture, click on choose image, select where you want to upload your file from. You can upload it from your desktop directly, or you can choose to upload it from your media library. So I want to replace this guy with this guy and click insert media. There. Now that you're happy with your changes, you can simply click update on the left bottom of your screen, and this will save all the changes on your website. Now, if you want to preview your changes, just click on the I button beside the update button, and this will take you to a page where you can see all the changes made in your website. So as you can see, we changed your dream home awaits, we changed the text in the button, we changed one of the images of the houses, and we changed one of our agents. So all the changes are visible here, and that's it. Happy editing. With the responsive starter templates plugin, the possibilities are endless. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you now have a professional real estate WordPress website up and running. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get started, be sure to check out our plugin, Responsive Starter Templates. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.